Baby, I don't even know what kind of food you want to make.
Oxtail.
Combien de la pomme?
I don't know, nigga. Does it matter?
I mean,
Plantains.
You don't need avocado? You don't need
Yeah, you need
avocado?
avocado. Yes.
Maman, mkon kilam ki bon we?
Connais?
Mba kone ve?
Non, mami.
Mba kone, bon touche mwen silam sa bon. Ah,
Gen connais mi, ouais. Mba vle sa ki douce.
sa gen le douce
Ah,
mon.
pas.
I don't even know. So weird. Apa sa? Sa mou.
Ça pour me.
You mou man.
It can be more, but not the whole more. I'm gonna use it today anyway.
Just one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna make oxtail.
I don't.
I was gonna make sour salt too.
Non, un cachorro passa para. Vai passar esse lá. Hã?
Sim.
Mas é seguinte, um cachorro lá.
Brown sugar?
Yes, brown sugar. Ninguém shake. Fuck. Yo, mwen bon tan mba fe vlog men, bon tan. Mba filme, mba fon rien du tout. But, des fois la vie, des fois gen aktivite ki pase, you feel me, kom se gen bagay wè mga explike nan kamera ki pase, but hey.
I like these. I eat them with milk.
Look at you. The Haitian house, the women's home. Tu vai me baralho?
No, I don't. If you know me, you know I don't like peanut butter and bread like that. But I will eat peanut butter and bagel when the bagel's hot sometimes.
For both or one? Ah,
One side and some little last
what's up?
Agak fat lah.
Sini minum. Betul lah.
Maling nama.
Aling na lah ini.
Kita buat orang yang nama baik.
Bozo?
Boleh nampak buat?
Okay, because look, at first, devait faire sauce bien du blanc, but I don't want to waste my time making sauce for it.
Okay.
So I was like, you know what? I can make some veggie rice, so let's get vegetable. veggie rice, on fait oxtail, on fait banana.
Because I'm busting that one build up with it.
A banana, have some avocado. That's a nice meal.
No sé. Yo no sé. Yo no veo, pero no veo igual. Imagínate.
For my guys.
Yeah, I think so. No.
Actually, we'll be cooked by 6 or 7 p.m. That's dinner. Seasoning to offset.
That making right?
I feel like I can.
Vous voulez faire manger vous? Vous savez manger à l'école là. Tout ce temps là, il est toujours con musique là. Regarde film pas jamais. I promise. Sorry. Yeah, don't go up in love at my life. You don't want me to flex. I'm not flexing.
I'll do my best.
Yes, keep going on about the besoin. Something else. Après Maggie, on prend Maggie. So some tomato non te prend and I don't know what else do you want. Let me see. Okay. Pas besoin encore non?
I guess I would do
Tout son j'ai ouais, soit pas besoin.
Small Philly cheesesteak. You want fries? No?
No, sorry. What's it getting?
Fries with mine.
Regular fries or cheese bacon fries?
Regular fries.
And you like onions, pepper, mushrooms, or both?
Yes.
What's it getting? Fries?
Yes.
Fries from the
Yeah. Tomato, lettuce, tomatoes?
Yes.
What can you drink?
You want juice? I'll get a, yeah?
Yeah.
A peach lemonade and a strawberry lemonade.
Per kilo to go.
Today.
27.23, please.
There you go.
Right, go ahead. Good, okay. Thank you. Now try the strawberry.
This one is sweeter.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, you can have this one.
That was mine.
Oh, that was yours?
Yes. Because I always get that one. Let me see.
Yeah, that's mine.
It was pretty sweet too. Yeah, what don't entrance for? We're going to schedule exam now.
Hindi was I.
Yeah,
But it's only.
I did it yesterday at work. I was anxious.
Who's about to tell
I'm scheduled. Because I didn't think about scheduling it till yesterday. I was like, bro, I'm just going to do it. And I was like, I'm going to tell you about it when I see you. And then the whole thing happened.
Moi ça, ils montent, ils mettent au calendar. But it's only because they pass it. Moi, they will schedule it.
Yeah.
Because they're supposed to this album. Avant, mais. Comme tu dis, est-ce que c'est pour. Because ils vont me taper un pep, like. You ready? You feel like you're ready? It's
Well, I'm not ready yet.
Who's your schedule later?
It's 2 months away.
So,
I'll be
okay.
ready in 2 months.
You don't feel like you will be ready by then? That's en janvier, right?
Yeah, juste janvier.
Maybe un mois été.
But you mean, you get them commence à étudier.
But, okay.
I told you, you get them break down the chapitre 4, because you're the lowest. What's your opinion? Tu sais, t'es pas mon mannequin pour avoir insurance?
Yeah. So, office à l'arrivée là?
Yeah.
Okay. Cette femme va refund moi $54. Cause I'm getting so tired. Yeah, refund me. En tout cas, je vais avec $54 pour maintenant. Boy.
I guess you're getting something.
Yes, baby. On va payer tout comme ça pour ça. On continue longtemps. So.
I can use that money to something else, like a credit card.
Yeah. Non, pourquoi tu gardes l'homme? T'inquiète, 12 ans pour faire déjà. But no, after.
I just have to. I feel like I have to like write it down.
Yes, you have to do that.
Because one of them we didn't make sure and pay minimum 9. I've been doing that. And then when I get paid, we try to pay luxury for extra money.
The thing though, baby, you need to know how to. You forgot this video. What's that?
I know everybody talk about the snowball method, which is you pay the minimum and then whatever extra money you have, you go with that. That's what I've been doing. Whatever interest rate.
Yes, it's a lot.
So what I can do is, American Express, I'm paying $1,000 to live.
Yes.
The blue one.
You got one, you can have some food, right?
You buy you some?
You some, right?
I think so.
Pay ça net pour finir.
I know, but what last c'est les cap charge and all that interest rate.
So, on va transférer sur l'autre carte.
I don't know.
Pour regarder pour tu transférer sur l'autre carte cap bon.
I feel like I would have to get another card.
But for make sure pas utiliser carte là. Parce que souvent on va utiliser.
That's what I tried to do with 31.
Oh, thank you. Comme tout côté net gen musique, tout côté net gen musique. Depuis maintenant on store toujours gen musique, but côté mia là mon gens clear, pas gen musique, nous ka parler men. Faut me dire nous men grand pile bonne bail qui passe pendant jour m'bal post en ken vidéo. But moi commencer faire vidéo dans moment là and I feel like I'm good. I feel better for real. Like it's amazing. Feeling moins senti chaque fois m'a fait vidéo pour nous. You feel me? And m'a still continue faire vidéo. Still continue ban nous produit, ban nous image. And yeah. Jeudi en mardi. Nous gêtons dans nos women. Ou ka quoi ça cause et comme si non badge man. Année a passé. That's crazy. Qui laisse aller janvier but qu'on a gêtons novembre par décembre. And l'argent monté, yo, that's crazy. But tout le temps nous gain souffle, nous gain vie, man. I'm so grateful for that. Toujours dis bon Dieu merci pour ça, man. So yeah, man, nous sommes dans storm tout acheter pour nous faire manger. Mal commencer à faire manger là. And yeah, man, déjà juste voulais ba nous update sur ça qui a passé. Nan vi men sa ka passe dans vlog là tout. You feel me? Cause mwen gen quelqu'un en bas jambe film ken rien man. And yeah. Pas préparer manger à moi. Yo.
To be honest, I didn't know it had that much fat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm not too much fat.
Look at that fat now, right? No.
Why are you recording me straight? Why you look nice?
Voilà.
I tried that one. How's the sandwich?
No, no.
How's the sandwich? What's wrong?
Nothing, baby. We're gonna bag you.
Life at my house.
Vamos lá? Ó.
You guys here too?
Vamos ali depois. Vamos ali depois on live.
This is several videos. They're gonna think I have a small dress on, and they're gonna be like, "You can't be in here."
Really? You got this one?
Oh,
So, just jacket la tou gauche non. Seulement jacket la tou gauche. Après ça, you okay. Ouais, chemise là, but si tu joues un jacket non qui te mezou là, you'll be fine. That's it.
hey, I'm gonna just.
To get curfew was on lockout, right? You good, baby, you good. I'm tripping.
What time is it?
I don't know. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go.
What's that? What I'm wearing?
Anyways, I'm gonna wait for you, baby.
You mean you're not gonna go there?
Yes, I'm gonna go. You want me to go with you?
You want some sauce, no?
But so d'abord, just aller pour tout le monde à tourner là.
Allez, tourner.
Yeah. Et puis comme sous là tout. Huh?
Nigga, let's go.
Let's go. Alright, let's go then.
You grip the rifle?
She can be so cold.
Look at my outfit, y'all. You can't really see it, but this is my shirt. My scent right now is Jimmy Choo. Just did a little bun. Baby, please don't go.
So we at the place right now. We're trying to, my baby trying to pay the parking lot. Trying to pay the point. Let me show y'all. You find it?
I'm a front camera. I'm a red camera screen.
No.
Come on, agua.
Yeah.
We'll probably do two, but
Probably two? Okay. Do it then.
right? I mean, we don't really know.
1:30. More white people are passing machine on busy. Ito ko sa.
Oh, jacket lambaf gan.
Let's go. Bite white people are taste of your own medicine. Ou muna passe ba machine. Baby, soit pas sur l'autre machine qui coule la machine en phrase.
Black
Black?
or red.
Red, okay.
I always wanted a red car. I wanted my first car to be red.
Okay. You don't like
But that
white?
didn't happen.
Why me white? No?
No.
Okay.
Okay, but me from this side.
Yes. Machine noire faut toujours laver, you know that?
Machine noire ou blanc?
Blanc, noir, tous les deux. Faut toujours laver.
Blanc puis mal. Blanc puis ça.
Is it good?
Remember, it was good. Mine was good.
I'm okay. Look, the thing I want to drink is like. All right, thank you, Mama. Appreciate you.
You like the one you had last time?
Not really. I think I'm gonna take what you had.
Maybe I should try lychee martini.
Nous toujours ready to try like everything, right? But you know, I went to the drink I had when we went to High Peak.
I picked.
Yes, the movie theater.
Yeah. Oh, margarita.
Mm.
Oh, that one was too strong. Yeah.
Yes, strong as fuck. I don't know. I don't like it, but.
I might pink this. I'm either gonna get the peach paradise or then look, they have a banana one. Banana colada.
Wanna try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it.
Hi.
Hi, how
We're
you
not
doing?
up to server. Can I get you for drinks? Just water, be good for you.
Oh,
I'll get the banana colada.
I'm gonna take it as well.
You want the peach paradise?
I'm gonna try this.
Fine, I'll get the peach paradise.
So one banana colada, one peach paradise.
Yeah.
But I think I'll be right back.
Okay, alright. You know,
I would drink yours.
the sweet shop is crazy. I got a little camera, man.
No, quick, I got the.
Oh, that's on mic.
Your pet.
On mic. On mic. Yo. Baby.
Huh?
The sweet shop is crazy. It's always like that. You always switching up.
No, because you know, look, this is how it works. We get two different things and I eat both. Duh.
Got a little dog outside, man.
Make that
Little dog outside.
They said they fake one certified in the desert. Get it on the
Alright, baby.
Did they only get desert? Because game they were. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Christmas. Ready to the cheers.
Yes, ma'am. That's mine, right? What's mine?
Kiss no different. I had peach paradise. This is yours.
Oh, this is mine, right?
Yes. What record or?
Yes, it's recording.
Right, ready?
Cheers.
Let's try yours.
Yes, I like mine.
You just.
No, I like it.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I like it.
Nigga, put it Dubai, even got try, right?
That's why I told you to take two different ones. It's good.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
It's good. Kau lagi plus alcohol lah.
I think so.
Baman. Baman, because they will get plus alcohol met lagi lang.
I'm still gonna drink both of them.
Aye.
Sagi bougie.
Maybe where is you just make it even. Yo.
Like we be doing at the house, we make gin with alcohol.
But I don't take cafe even.
This is good.
I know. I feel like they changed the glass. Baby, please don't go. Yeah, this is really good. It's avec des poèmes vinaigre.
Chaque choix me prend le good. Because I told you about that one.
Well, the vinaigre song is clean to the fresh, but I don't know, man.
Like hard liquor?
Yes.
It's all in my boy.
Les ma vont ma boire ça, but les ma l'autre nègre liquor. Ah, shit.
I like cocktails.
You know
I
what?
don't mind drinking comme ça. Like, le bain qui de jus, sweet, et puis bien entièrement.
You know, when is my passage? Besoin plus de caméra.
This is really good. The shrimp is good also.
Not bad. So good.
But yeah. Fait que nous venons de banon personne. C'est VIP nous
I'm
aimons.
telling you.
On va capoter tout le hooligans, man.
They fun, man. I've been black people. I'm tripping, baby. You know I'm tripping. I feel like, baby, we have cancer with it out. Bad competition.
That big piece of chicken. Look how flat the chicken is. Non, maintenant pas toi. Pourquoi pas dire bien?
No, just leave it alone.
Okay. Oops, you need a new one.
I need a new one?
You don't?
I don't think so.
You want the knife? No? You sure? Tell you.
What more about that?
You look good? Okay. You play knife? What's the what? Moi, oui. Quoi ça? Vous mangez toi?
Manger toi, baby.
Nanti mesti balik tu. So, mesti mana film sana nanti. Aku sama saya tu ketika festival.
Oh, abang kita harus spend.
Terus bayar.
Terus saya dapat budget.
Udah berapa budget ni?
Of course, dapat budget depend. Tu orang vegetarian, orang vegetarian. Kau memang ni, orang mesti menu mesti instant. Bro. Đây là những sụp làm bừa và làm việc này ra quay mình làm sao chụp mình chạy chụp phê chạm mình sushi tụi bay sao không mắc gì gặp được rồi lại gặp phải mà người này thì em hay gặp mà that's crazy You funny as that, man. You funny as that. Nah, you put them deal with women. Some more people. You funny, bro. You say we not that from you from me. No.
Kita moving.
Ah, tu mau hidup.
Pero ça fait faire par la tête.
Of course, yes. What do you mean fashion gun, bro? I mean, it's my statement. I don't know. Uma jogo não deu negative visitar não de feio. Bah. Ah, bah. Enggak mad tu memang enggak lu. What about my dairy? Please. Tapi lembra passa uma filha nada muito não faz. Tá fácil tu vai. Mas não people basta mesmo na vida ali. Não queria cara. Mira meu de chapa de Mario. Não me chama, não me chama. Mano, tu como isso?
What's your Bible?
Bom, vamos lá, dizer.
Vai faire un mouton là-dessus. Il y a des choses qui ne savent pas là-dessus. Et moi? Bata ma bata aí.
Ah, pour manger?
Of course. E ma tal fait 3 orders.
Oh, real? Yeah.
Beaucoup toi.
Bonjour. You pregnant 2 months? No? A little baby in your belly. Damn.
One day that's gonna be true.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Ooh.
Imagine o Lens para um petit baby. Bruh. But not now, but fuck.
Right? Me? Oh my god. Ooh.
You know what?
I didn't even get to do. Don't look down there.
I'm gonna look, man. Fuck that.